Hi, I'm Stephanie, the Director of Rehab here at Stuckey Chiropractic Center, and I've got Carter here with me today. We have been doing SoftWave on his ankle now. We actually did a full treatment plan. He plays basketball for the university, and he was dealing with some ankle problems since he rolls it very often playing basketball. So tell us a little bit about how your ankle felt when you first started.
It was pretty hard to walk, really, and basically anytime I extended it, it was pretty uncontrollable pain. So it was just something had to be done, I guess.
Yeah, so he was having troubles. It was impacting his playing. So here we did a full treatment plan. How would you say you feel today?
Oh, it feels amazing. I really haven't had any problems with it. I've rolled it afterwards, and it felt better.
Yeah,
Rolls weren't as severe, I guess.
that's awesome. So he bounced back super quickly. He's a super healthy young man. So bounced back really quick. And what do you say? Would you recommend this to somebody else in your
Oh
shoes?
yeah, for sure, 100%.
Nice. Awesome. Well, thank you, Carter.
Yeah.